I asked ChatGPT to do a piece of deep research for me. And I said, what I want a venue in these locations. The venue needs to have this type of internet speed, needs to be able to fit this many people in this format. It needs to have this sort of budget. It needs to be close to this type of town. It spat out the entire lot of what I needed. If we wanted to do a national tour, I had the full event planning schedule.
We're AI Collab. The tagline is AI for humans. I'm a tech head, so, and I've been coding since I was 12. AI is making life easier. You might as well learn how to use it. Don't get left behind because it's real and it's happening now.
And you put that into your marketing testing. The question is never what, but how are we going to use this in the most powerful and effective way that's truly going to serve our clients. We are always focused on the human experience, the end user experience. They're going to be specific.
Kim is a brilliant business strategist. She's the ideas person as well, and I'm the person that can put the bits together to make it into a formula that has a solution at the end. That's one of the ways we work really well together,
Without a strategy, without intention, without really understanding what you want to do with AI in your business strategically, it's not going to be super useful or not as useful or as powerful as what it could be. So we developed the AI implementation pathway, which is very simply 3 stages: crawl, walk, run. Crawl is really understanding things like customized micro apps, micro AI tools like agents, custom GPTs. Into walk, which is then you're getting into client-facing AI. Tools like voice agents and chatbots on your website. Things that will do customer service style, but really genuinely add value, not just a nice-to-have tool, but something that's going to free up your team, make sure you never miss a lead, actions like that. Run is when you take those 2 elements and create full suite automation. And so that means that you might have, for example, a voice chat that answers the calls, the incoming receptionist. A run version of that will be taking the information that you learn when you build these micro apps and then have a totally hands-off system from one end to the other. So they receive the call, they log the job, they actually do the proposal, send the proposal, do the follow-up, have a call hunt for every 24, 72 hours, 1 week, until the call is actually received, have SMS follow-up reminders, and then once the call is made, then it's either, yes, the job is on and let's book that in the software, or no, the job is off, so let's keep them on the newsletter and follow up in 6 months' time. It's your turn. Let's build your first GPT, okay? We're going to walk through this together. Every time we invest time with somebody, there's always a specific outcome that we're looking for them to achieve by the end of whatever it is. So it's a boot camp like today. Then what they do is they build on the spot. They act on what we're actually discussing, and we actually help them design these tools so they walk away with things that they're actually using in their business straight away. Congratulations, you just built your first GPT.
That is so
Woohoo! Yay! A lot of people do want to make sure that their trade secrets, their business IP is not spilled onto the AI streets. It's really important that you're using this to add leverage and value to your business, not to dilute what you're doing and take away that valuable trade, intellectual property that you have. So you do need to approach this responsibly. You need to make sure that you're doing it in a way that you're not feeding models. The information that you use stays in-house. The information that perhaps if you have AI that your clients are interacting with, that stays anonymous as well. So there are processes in place that you can use with simple AI tools that you can customize and keep your secrets safe.
Oh, it's just so cool.
You don't have to be one of the massive corporates to have these really efficient systems in place. Everybody's empowered to really scale. The return on investment is incredible when you start automating processes. So we're here to basically show small businesses that they too can play like the big players and have the tools that these big players have on a scale that's going to work for them.